Here I got another Amazon package, so I'm gonna open it now. Already got the shipping labels off. Here's a super duper bright GE light bulb. It's an LED. They're very good though. Let's take a closer look at it. It's the box. 3000 lumens, 5000 Kelvin. It has a 25,000 hour life expectancy. There's the labels, warnings, not for use until enclosed fixtures. That makes sense. This is a high powered bulb. Like, it doesn't really matter because you won't be able to fit just like in a fixture. Surprisingly, LEDs are starting to be suitable for enclosed luminaires. I am a little bit skeptical of the lumens per watt, but it's not like a big deal. I do care about lumens per watt. It makes stuff more efficient. It's high quality nonetheless. Got for 25 bucks on a Black Friday deal. They're not low quality. This is a Par38. It's very like high quality. Oh my god, it's super duper high quality. That aluminum, 25 bucks. Yeah, LEDs should use like aluminum heat sinks. This is not even an expensive bulb. Like a bulb like back in 2011 cost like 40 bucks. This is like really good for 25 bucks. These are normally on clearance. These are normally not on clearance for 25 bucks. They're about 35, which isn't bad for a 3000 lumen bulb. I wonder what the CRI is on it though. 80 is not terrible though. It's okay. Even 70 is okay, but 100's better. Like the best. Here's some thermal paste. It's a silicon 500 thermal grease, thermal paste. See the package. Super duper nice. What is thermal conductivity? I guess I'll have to look it up. Pretty new to this. But a CPU does require thermal paste. You can do like X's and stuff, dots, or just don't use too much thermal paste. So like pour on the motherboard and damage it. That's fucking heavy. Here's a AK620 DEEPCOOL CPU cooler. I am going with air cooled. I don't want an AIO cooler. I don't want reliability problems. Plus, it's expensive to get a good quality one. You gotta pay $300 for like a ASUS ROG Strix or whatever. I like ASUS though. Let's open it up. See if it came in good condition. I'm gonna probably get X-Plex valves as well. Those are really good as well. I like the full glass ones best. No matter what, they're nice. I hate the plastic lights. They're just cheap. Well, they're not all of them cheap. Not all plastic LEDs are cheap. You can get a good Philips light bulb. The Philips here is overpriced, but I like the cheaper ones actually. I have 95 CRI I probably prefer the glass ones though. They also make glass ones. Plus they got 95 CRI on the bulbs. They're not even that expensive. So it's time to stop using incandescent light bulbs. LEDs are starting to like be a lot better than incandescent lights. 95 CRI is probably going to be better than like 100 CRI incandescent. Because incandescents produce infrared light and that we don't see infrared that much. I am want to put my phone camera down for a few seconds. Didn't realize there's tape. These like brown tape things. Got that off now. Let's see what look at it. So here's part of the package. See all the specifications. Sorry about the stuttering there. The LED is about 5 volts. The LED uses about 4.75 watts, so it's probably going to be very bright. The whole fan is 12 volts DC. Current's 0.12 amps. 1.44 watts. So, yeah. Just look at it. Don't need to say it all. It's like easy to understand. This is a really good brand. Just get them if you can afford it. This is $80. I won't miss the screen. Hold on, I'm gonna be careful. Let's take a look at the accessories. First, yeah, so look at the accessories first. Here's some extension cables, some mounting hardware. Let's put that aside. Don't want it to get damaged. This video would have been a lot quicker if I had a tripod, but I don't have money at the moment. Plus, I'm probably gonna get like an expensive one. Those cheap ones just break. I don't buy cheap shit. Just take a closer look at the mounting hardware. So we got big mounts, little mounts. Gotta figure out which mounts I need. That will be in a... I'm not gonna make a video of putting together the PC. I don't think you would need to see it. Plus, it doesn't make sense if I don't have a tripod, then I can't make a video. Plus, I don't want to show my face. Is this thermal paste or what? I don't know. It's like a screwdriver. Many of you will have that on hand. Here's the... Let me get out the folder thing. Hold on. This is the basic manual. I don't think anyone needs to read that. Unless they don't know how to get together. I think it's fairly simple though. You just gotta make sure the part fits. That's like the biggest concern. The reason why I went with the biggest, like, most expensive air cooler is because my CPU uses a lot of watts. I didn't want to put my phone camera down once again. This is a big ass cooler. Let's take the styrofoam protection pieces off. Just look how thick that is. Let's look at the big ass fans. It is bigger than I thought it would be. It's like gonna give off some very nice cooling when it works. Look at that. I think it's just an LED display. I don't know for sure. I'm gonna show it once when it's like all up though. That is very hefty, really thick, really beefy. Yes, you will need this for like an Intel i9 like processor, 14900K. Those get really hot. Just look at the massive heat piping and stuff. This will be very effective for cooling. So there's nothing else in the box. Thanks for watching.